In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and collaborate on designs in Canva. Whether you're working on a solo project or need input from teammates, collaborating on Canva can significantly streamline your creative process and help achieve the best outcomes efficiently. Let's dive into the simple steps you'll need to follow to ensure a smooth and productive collaboration. First, once you're ready to share your design with others, look at the top right corner of your Canva dashboard where you'll find the share button. This button serves as your gateway to collaboration, acting as a conduit through which your designs travel to reach other collaborators seamlessly. By clicking on this button, you're starting to open up your creative space to the input, ideas, and perspectives of others, transforming your work from a solo effort into a collaborative masterpiece. Next, you'll need to specify who you want to collaborate with. In the drop-down that appears after clicking share, you'll see a text box prompting you to enter an email address. This is the key step where you designate your co-creators or reviewers. Type the email of the person you wish to share your design with and ensure you've entered the correct address to avoid unnecessary confusion or delays. This precision not only enhances communication efficiency, but also guarantees that your design reaches the right people promptly and ready for their input. Once you've entered the necessary email address, the next step is to finalize the invitation by clicking the share button once again within the drop-down menu. Doing this sends an invitation directly to the email address you specified, granting the recipient access to view or edit the design depending on the permission you set. This is like extending an open invitation to your creative world, allowing collaborators either to observe and provide feedback or dive right in, making changes and actively contributing to the project. For many, collaboration might feel intimidating initially. However, Canva's platform is specifically designed to simplify this process. It's crucial not only to share the design, but also to set the appropriate permissions, whether that be viewing, commenting, or editing rights. This ensures collaborative efforts can occur without compromising your original design. Remember, teamwork and feedback can dramatically improve the creative process, merging different skills and ideas to elevate your designs to new heights. In conclusion, Canva makes it incredibly easy to share your creative projects with others, encouraging collaboration and interactive input. Whether for professional presentations, group projects, or fun creative ventures with friends, using Canva's share feature invites others to join you on your design journey. By welcoming collaboration, you're opening the door to broader perspectives and skill sets that enrich your projects, making them stronger, more refined, and more impactful in the process. Let the creativity flow seamlessly as you explore collaborative design with Canva, and happy designing.